5. AI tools you can be using to make money in 2023. OpenAI's GPT 3.5. OpenAI's GPT 3.5 is a powerful language model that can generate human-like text. You can use it to create engaging scripts and narratives for your YouTube videos, explaining different ways people can make money. GPT 3.5 can help you present the information in a clear and compelling manner. Animaker. Animaker is an AI-powered video animation tool that allows you to create captivating explainer videos. You can use it to visually illustrate various money-making strategies, concepts, or tips. Animaker provides a wide range of pre-built templates and assets to make your videos more engaging. Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software that offers AI-powered features like automated editing tools and intelligent audio enhancement.